Let us say you are working on a presentation and that presentation has 20 to 30 number of slides and you want to change font style or font color of each and every slide of your presentation. So that will become quite hectic, right? I have seen a lot of people going each and every slide and changing the font color or font style or the dimension of the image that presentation has or that particular slide has, and we want to avoid that step. So this is the perfect video in which you will see the SlideMaster and few of its functions. So welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips, and without wasting time, let's get into the video. So in PowerPoint, SlideMaster is a super feature that allows you to create a template or a design that can be applied to all the slides in your presentation. So for example, if you have 20 number of slides and if you change anything in SlideMaster view, then that will be applied to all of your slides. So the SlideMaster controls the overall look and formatting of your presentation, such as if you want to change the fonts, colors, backgrounds, placeholders, and other designs elements. So that will be changed throughout the slides. Let's look few of them one by one. So let me just close this SlideMaster view. And for the sake of this video, I have created a simple presentation on outdoor games, and I have different number of slides where we have pictures, text boxes, and some other type of layouts. So in some cases you want to have logo of your company or your brand at corner of each and every slide of your presentation. So let's do that first. So let me go to SlideMaster view. You can find SlideMaster in View tab under this SlideMaster. So here you can see that there are multiple number of slides. So these are the by default layouts which are present in the PowerPoint. So let us say if you have selected a slide where you have a placeholder like this. So you have, for example, there are two image placeholder and one text boxes. So if you change anything in this slide, that will reflect to each and every slide where you have this type of placeholders or slide layout. So now I want logo on every slide of my presentation. So I'll go to the master slide, where you can see that if I hover over this master slide, it is saying that it is used by slides 1 to 6. So in my presentation, I have 6 number of slides, and in master view, it is saying that it is used by slide number 1 to 6. So the master slide controls all the slides in your presentation. So let us insert a logo over here. What I'll do is I'll stay in the SlideMaster view only, and then I'll go click on insert, and then as we insert logo in normal slide, I'll select a photo whichever I want, and let me just remove the background from this. However, it is white, and now let me just place this logo to the bottom right corner of each and every presentation. And if I close the SlideMaster view, I can see that logo is now placed each and every slide. And what interesting thing about the SlideMaster is that now you cannot now this logo will not disturb you while you are editing your presentation. So now let us see another feature of SlideMaster where I have to change the font style of my presentation throughout. So I'll go to View and SlideMaster. Now here I want to change my font style to throughout the presentation. So I'll go to Master Slide. I'll click both of these placeholders, and now I go to fonts and I choose a different font which looks really cool. Let's say I take this one, and now let me just close this SlideMaster view, and here you can see that the font style of my presentation for each and every slide is now changed. Now you must be thinking that SlideMaster is used where you have to change the entire slide, but that is not correct. Let's look into one more case. So I'll go to SlideMaster view, and now let us say I want to change a slide where I have this type of layout, where I have a master slide, a subtitle, and a picture or a graph. So let us say I want to change the font style of particular type of layout. So I'll select this both text boxes. I'll go to home and I'll choose different type of font style. And let me just close this SlideMaster. And let us find that type of layout over here. This one. So we have a title, we have subtitle and a picture. So here you can see that font style is now changed. And now one interesting thing is, let me go to SlideMaster. Yes. So in my presentation, wherever I have this type of layout where I have title slide, subtitle and a picture, if I change anything in this type of layout over here in SlideMaster, then it will automatically change to each and every slide where you have this type of layout. Quite interesting, right? Now, one more important thing you must know about SlideMaster is that you can add your own custom slide layout. So let's do that. Let me go to SlideMaster view. And now you have an option to add a layout. So let me just insert a layout, and you have a placeholder for inserting a title. Now to insert different type of placeholder, you have many different type of options available. You can add content placeholder, you can add text, you can have a placeholder of picture. So let me just have a placeholder of picture where I have 3 different pictures. Let me add this one also, another picture, and the third picture. Perfect. And let me rename this layout with my custom layout. So now if I want to add a new slide where I have a layout which I just created, so I just go to layout and change the layout with my custom layout. And now you can see that you have 3 different placeholders for adding pictures and a title text box. So using a SlideMaster, you can save a lot of time and effort in creating a consistent and professional looking presentation. By making changes to the SlideMaster, you can update the design of your entire presentation just in a few clicks. So that's all for this video. And now we have a question for you. So the quick question is, under which tab you will find the SlideMaster command? And this is quite easy, right? You can comment down your answer in the below given comment box. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Till then, goodbye.